How to use AI to create a digital marketing strategy. Here's how to use AI to create a digital marketing strategy. Use ChatGPT to clarify your business objective: example, lead generation, product sales, brand awareness. Ask AI to build detailed customer personas including age, interests, pain points, and buying habits. Use AI tools like SimilarWeb or Crayon to study your competitors' funnels, ads, and content. Use ClickFunnels AI or ChatGPT to create a marketing funnel. Use AI to generate a freebie idea like ebook, checklist, quiz, and instantly write the content. Use Unbound Smart Copy or Durable AI to generate and launch pages for each stage of your funnel. Use Surfer AI or Jasper to create optimized blog posts targeting keywords relevant to your funnel. Use ChatGPT Plus Add Creative.ai to generate Facebook, Google, and Instagram ad text and design. Use Okoya to turn blog content into engaging social posts with AI-generated graphics. Use MailChimp AI or Brevo to write and schedule follow-up email sequences to nurture leads. Thanks for watching.